Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are present: Visual Studio Code and the NET SDK installed, then confirm .NET version. Once that is verified, install the C# extension and the C# dev kit for code completion and debugging support. Create a new console with .NET New Console and My App and open that folder in VS Code. Make sure the proper SDK appears in the lower right. If not, select it. This gets you immediately into editing and running your first build. Once your project is open, configure the Run view, Generate Launch, JSON and Tasks. JSON so building and debugging are one click. You will want to restore packages with .NET Restore and verify OmniSharp is using the correct SDK. Change OmniSharp path or use the workspace settings if IntelliSense stalls. Add dependencies with .NET Add Package My Package or the Package Manager UI. While coding, use code actions and refactor menus for quick fixes, and run the integrated terminal to test .NET Run with real input. You finish by running the app and stepping through with breakpoints, watching variables in the debug console. Add unit tests using XUnit, then run them from Test Explorer to validate behavior. When ready to deploy, publish with .NET Publish C release. If something goes wrong, make sure the correct SDK is selected, check the OmniSharp log for workspace or restore errors, and run .NET Restore again. These steps resolve most issues, and they help you quickly identify mismatched frameworks or missing packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.